Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Official. Hey, stop for a second.
Wait, what happened?
Do you know one season changes everything?
What do you mean?
The trees become green, flowers start to bloom, people go outside and smile more.
Oh, are you talking about spring?
Yes, spring! And today, we are going to talk about spring in 3 countries.
3 countries? Really?
Yes, the USA, India, and Pakistan.
Oh, wow, this is going to be so interesting.
So stay with us today because this conversation is going to teach you so many new English words and so many cool facts.
Don't go anywhere. Let's start.
Welcome back to Smart English Official.
Hi, friends. I'm James, and I'm so happy to see you today.
And I am Lima. We're here again to help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
Yes, we always talk about simple topics, but we learn big things.
That's right. And today's topic is very special because it is happening right now.
Right now, where?
Outside, James. Look outside the window.
Oh, the weather is so nice today. The sky is blue, the air feels fresh.
Yes. And do you know what that means?
Spring has started.
Exactly. Spring started on March 20th this year.
And today is March 24th.
So we are right in the middle of spring.
How is the weather where you are right now? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we want to know. Is it spring where you live or is it still cold?
Okay, Lima, let's start from the beginning. What is spring exactly?
Great question. You know, every year has 4 seasons, right?
Yes, winter, spring, summer, and autumn.
Exactly. Winter is cold,
Spring comes after winter.
and spring is not too hot, not too cold.
It is just perfect.
Yes, just perfect. In spring, the days become longer,
The nights become shorter,
the temperature goes up slowly.
and nature wakes up.
Yes, I love that. Nature wakes up. In winter, trees look dead. No leaves, no flowers.
So sad.
But in spring, everything comes back to life.
Leaves grow on the trees again.
Flowers start to bloom,
Birds start to sing.
and people feel happy again.
Yes, even I feel happy in spring. I don't know why, but I just feel good.
There's actually a science reason for this.
Really?
Yes, in spring, we get more sunshine, and sunshine makes our body feel happy.
Oh, wow. So the sun makes us smile.
Exactly. The sun is like a natural medicine.
Remember this word, sunshine. Sunshine means the light from the sun.
Okay, friends, before we go further, let's learn some spring words.
Yes, this is important. These are simple words, but very useful.
Word number 1, bloom.
Bloom. What does bloom mean?
Bloom means when a flower opens. For example, the flowers bloom in spring.
The flowers bloom in spring. That's beautiful.
Word number 2, breeze.
Breeze. That sounds nice.
Breeze means soft, gentle wind. Not strong wind, not storm, just a light, soft wind.
Like when you sit outside and the wind touches your face softly.
Yes, that's a breeze. I can feel a soft breeze today.
I want to feel a breeze right now.
Word number 3, fresh.
Fresh. I know this one.
Tell us, what does fresh mean?
Fresh means new and clean, like fresh air or fresh flowers.
Perfect. The air in spring feels very fresh.
Yes, I love fresh spring air.
Word number 4, garden.
Garden, that's easy. A garden is a place with flowers and plants.
Exactly. My mother loves her garden in spring.
My grandmother also has a garden. It is so colorful in spring.
Beautiful. And the last word, word number 5, sunshine.
Sunshine. We already talked about sunshine.
Yes, but let's say it again. Sunshine means the bright light from the sun.
So today's 5 spring words are 1, bloom, 2, breeze, 3, fresh, 4, garden, 5, sunshine.
Can you use one of these words in a sentence? Write it in the comments below.
Okay, Lima, now let's talk about our 3 countries.
Yes, let's start with the USA.
Oh, the USA. Many of our viewers are from America.
Yes, and spring in America is amazing.
Tell me more.
Well, in the USA, spring officially starts on March 20th. This is called the spring equinox.
Spring equinox. That's a new word. What does equinox mean?
Equinox means the day when the night and day are equal, exactly 12 hours of light and 12 hours of darkness.
Oh, wow. Only one time in the year, day and night are the same length.
Yes, and that day is the start of spring.
Interesting. So what do Americans do in spring?
Oh, so many things. First, they go to see cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom. Those are the pink flowers, right?
Yes, beautiful pink flowers on the trees. In Washington, D.C., there is a famous cherry blossom festival.
Cherry Blossom Festival. I've seen pictures of that. It looks like a pink dream.
Millions of people go there every year just to see the pink flowers.
Wow, people travel so far just for flowers?
Yes, because it is that beautiful, and it only lasts for a few weeks. Then the flowers fall.
Oh no, that's sad.
It's okay. That's what makes it special.
What else happens in America in spring?
Spring cleaning. This is a big tradition in America.
Spring cleaning?
Yes, people clean their whole house in spring. They throw away old things, they wash windows, they organize everything.
Oh, we do this in Pakistan too.
Yes, same idea. Clean house, fresh start.
And for students?
Spring break.
Oh, yes, spring break. I've heard this word in movies.
Yes, American students get a holiday in spring, usually 1 week. No school, no homework.
Lucky them.
Okay, now let's go to India.
India. Spring in India must be very colorful.
Oh, yes, very, very colorful because of Holi.
Holi, the festival of colors.
Yes, Holi is a famous Indian festival and it happens in spring.
Tell our viewers about Holi. Some of them might not know.
Sure. In Holi, people throw colored powder on each other.
They throw color on people?
Yes, on friends, family, everyone.
And nobody gets angry?
No, everyone is happy. It's a celebration. Red, yellow, green, pink, everywhere.
Oh, wow. That sounds like so much fun.
It is. And it also means spring has arrived.
So colors equal spring in India.
Exactly. Also, in India, spring is a short season.
Short? Why?
Because India gets hot very fast. After March, April becomes very warm, and by May, it is very hot.
Oh, so spring in India is like a guest. It comes for a short time and then leaves quickly.
That's a beautiful way to say it. Yes, spring in India is a short but beautiful guest.
And what about the nature in India in spring?
Beautiful. Yellow mustard flowers in Punjab, green fields everywhere, mango trees start to grow new leaves.
Mango trees. I love mangoes.
Me too. And spring is the beginning of the mango season.
That is the best news I have heard today. Now my favorite part, spring in Pakistan.
Yes. Tell me, James, what is spring like in Pakistan?
Oh, Lima.
Spring in Pakistan is magical.
Magical?
Yes, especially in Islamabad.
Islamabad. Tell us.
You know, Islamabad is surrounded by mountains, the Margalla Hills.
Yes, I know Margalla Hills.
In spring, those hills become so green, like a green blanket on the mountains.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
And the flowers everywhere, pink, white, yellow. You walk on the road and flowers are on every side.
Like walking in a garden?
Exactly. The whole city feels like a garden.
Oh, wow. I want to visit Islamabad in spring now.
You should, but there is one problem.
Problem? What problem?
Achoo!
Are you okay?
I was acting, because in Islamabad, in spring, there's a lot of pollen.
Pollen?
Yes, pollen is the yellow powder from flowers and trees. It floats in the air.
And it makes people sneeze?
Yes, many people get allergies in spring in Islamabad. Eyes get red, nose runs, you sneeze all day.
So spring is beautiful, but also painful.
Yes, beautiful to see, but difficult for people with allergies.
What about other cities in Pakistan?
Lahore is also amazing in spring. There's the Shalimar Garden in Lahore, built by the Mughal emperors hundreds of years ago.
Wow, hundreds of years ago?
Yes, and even today, in spring, that garden is full of flowers, just like the Mughals planned it.
That is incredible. History and nature together.
And then there's Basant.
Basant? What is that?
Basant was a kite festival in Lahore. Every year in spring, people would fly colorful kites on their rooftops.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
It was. The whole sky of Lahore filled with colorful kites. Yellow, red, green, blue. Everyone was happy.
Was? Why do you say was?
Because it was banned many years ago.
Oh no, why?
There were some safety problems with the kite strings, so the government stopped it.
That's sad. People must miss it.
Yes, many Pakistanis miss Basant. It was a beautiful tradition, a celebration of spring.
I hope one day it can come back safely.
Me too. Anyway, spring in Pakistan is still very beautiful.
Okay, James, let's compare the three countries.
Yes, let's do it.
In the USA in spring, people go to see cherry blossom flowers.
In India in spring, people celebrate Holi with colors.
In Pakistan in spring, people enjoy the green mountains and gardens.
In Pakistan in spring, people enjoy the green mountains and beautiful gardens.
3 countries, 3 different ways to enjoy spring.
But one thing is the same in all 3 countries.
What is that?
People feel happy.
Yes, spring makes everyone happy, no matter where you live, because spring means new beginning,
New life
new energy,
and new hope.
and that is the real meaning of spring. Okay, friends, let's quickly remember what we learned today.
Today we learned spring starts on March 20th.
In the USA, people see cherry blossoms and enjoy spring break.
In India, people celebrate Holi, the beautiful festival of colors.
In Pakistan, spring brings green mountains, beautiful gardens, and sweet memories of Basant.
And we learned 5 spring words.
Bloom, breeze, fresh, garden, sunshine.
Can you say all 5 words? Say them out loud right now.
Yes, don't be shy. Say them. Bloom, breeze, fresh, garden, sunshine.
Great job!
Now, friends, one last question for you.
What is your favorite thing about spring?
Write your answer in the comments.
We read every comment.
Yes, we really do. We love hearing from you. And if you enjoyed today's conversation,
Please give us a big thumbs up.
and if you are new here, welcome to the family.
This is Smart English Official.
We help you learn English every single day
In a simple way
in a fun way.
and in a friendly way.
So subscribe to Smart English Official right now
Press that subscribe button and the bell icon too.
so you never miss our daily videos.
We'll see you tomorrow with another fun topic. Bye-bye.
Take care.